Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I'm a lover of pork and I'm a lover of balsamic vinegar. I was sent this amazing product, and I'll talk more about that later, but I thought I'd make up this. It only involves about 4 ingredients, a balsamic roasted pork loin, just incredibly good. So let me walk you through this. Okay, so let's start with half a cup of our balsamic vinegar, and this was a vinegar sent to me by a company, and it's a Campagna del Montale. And believe me guys, this is one of the best vinegars I've ever had. It's an APG award-winning special edition balsamic vinegar, and it's aged for 6 to 8 years in French oak barrels, and it's made in Italy. I'll put a link below in the description section and a code, but you're gonna love this. Followed by half a cup of olive oil, then 2 tablespoons of steak seasoning. Now you can use the seasoning of your choice, but this steak seasoning is so good. Okay, let's give this a mixer-upper. Just 3 ingredients for the marinade. It doesn't get much easier. What I've got here is a 2-pound pork loin roast, and that's just a little under 1 kilogram. And I put this into a fairly large Ziploc bag. Now you can use a bowl if you like. I just like the bag because it marinates better. Next up, pour our marinade over the top. What I usually do is give it a little shake and then a squish, just to make sure the marinade is fully covering the pork. Let the air out, and we're going to seal this up and marinate this in the fridge for about 2 hours. Overnight is best, but you want at least a couple of hours. Okay, after about 2 hours of marinating, I'm going to slip my roast into a baking pan lined with some aluminum foil, because with the marinade, it tends to caramelize, so you don't want to mess up your dish. Pour the marinade over this delicious goodness. This smells so good. Now we're going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius for about an hour, and we're going to baste about every 15 minutes. After about an hour, our balsamic roasted pork loin is done, and so we're just going to slice into this and see what it's like. And this just looks and smells incredible, guys. So I'm going to pour some of that delicious sauce over the top. And there you have it, our balsamic roasted pork loin. You're just gonna love this. Okay, let's give this a taste test. My goodness, it's so good. It's rich. The pork is tender. Just absolutely incredible. It's great with mashed or rice. Gotta make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're gonna love it. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.